This is the unboxing of the ATN Thor for 384 4.5 by 18 times. Now I had the 2x8, but I really didn't like the scope and distance on it. So after a lot of trouble, ATN made this right by giving me an extra cap. Look at that cap on the beautiful lady. And also a t-shirt. Let's take a look at that t-shirt.
Oh, this is cool.
And look at that.
Is this a girl's?
And then there you go. Alrighty.
This is the back?
Yep. Cool. Now let's take a look at that scope.
Do I have to open this?
Awesome. Come here. Down here. Alright, I got the new camo, so let's open this up. It's supposed to be the camo. Alrighty, let's open this up.
It is camo.
Awesome. It's the breakup country. Let's open that puppy up. Oh yeah. That is a beaut. That is a beaut.